Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Binance. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Binance application. Now, after opening the application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, if you want to deposit money, simply click on Add Funds button at the top of the screen. Or you can also click on the Wallets icon at the bottom of the screen and choose Deposit button here. Now, after you click on Deposit, you will see all these options through which you can deposit your money. So I'm going to choose USDT. Now, after selecting USDT, you'll be on this page. We'll have to choose the network through which you want to deposit your money. So please note that only supported networks on Binance platforms are shown. If you deposit via other network, your assets may be lost. So I'm going to choose BNB Smart Chain. Now, after selecting this, I can see I have this network and deposit address here. I'll have to just copy this address and paste it in the application from where I'm depositing this money. So after navigating to this page, I will have to click on the funding option at the top. Now, after I click on funding, I'll be on this page where I will have different ways to deposit money. So I will choose deposit button here. Now, after I click on deposit, I will see this page where I will select USD, that is US dollars. Now, I will have to simply click on this currency option and choose my currency through which I'm going to deposit my money. So I will choose Australian dollar here. Now, I can choose to buy crypto with this Australian dollars, or I can choose P2P Express, that is buy on Binance person to person. So if I click on buy crypto with AUD, that is my Australian dollars currency that I just chose, I can click on continue, choose the amount that I want to add, then click on buy option, make sure I've selected USDT here. Now I will click on pay with button and choose the method of payment, whether I want to pay it through my card, bank transfer, OSCO or pay ID. Now, if you want to do person to person trading, that is you want to receive this fund from another person, you can get it by bank transfer. Now, if you want to do it simply through your card, select card, click on confirm, click on add new card, add your card details in this section. After you enter your card, you'll be promoted to another page where you can complete the payment. After you complete the payment, you would have successfully deposited money in your Binance account. So basically, in order to deposit money, you'll have to directly buy any coin on Binance. So I chose USDT. You can choose any of the Bitcoin currency you want and you would have successfully deposited that money in your Binance. So you can only deposit fiat money or crypto money. You cannot directly add cash into Binance, but you can deposit crypto and fiat through this method I shown you. So that's how you deposit money in Binance. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.